Inflation is a constant worry for retirees, especially if you've worked hard to build your savings. But there's a lot of misinformation out there that could be clouding your understanding. Today, I'm going to debunk some of the biggest inflation myths that might be influencing your financial decisions, and by the end, you'll have a clearer idea of how to protect your wealth and plan for the future. Stick around, because I'll also show you why thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings from inflation. This could be the game changer you're looking for. First, let's talk about one common myth. Inflation is always bad for investments. Sure, high inflation can make things more expensive, but it doesn't automatically mean that all investments will lose value. In fact, certain investments, like Gold IRAs, actually tend to perform better during inflationary periods. Gold has historically been a safe haven asset, and more Americans are turning to it to protect their wealth, especially if they have $100K or more in their IRA or 401K. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check out the free Gold IRA guide linked in the description below. Next, there's the myth that the government can fix inflation by raising interest rates. While the Federal Reserve can raise rates to control inflation, it's not a magic fix. Higher rates can slow down economic activity, but it also makes borrowing more expensive, which can hurt retirees looking to access funds or invest. Meanwhile, Gold IRAs can help you hedge against these rate changes and keep your savings growing in value. Another big myth is inflation doesn't affect retirees who live on a fixed income. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, retirees with fixed incomes are among the hardest hit by inflation because their spending power decreases over time. Inflation makes everyday essentials more expensive: gas, food, healthcare, all the things you depend on. That's why it's critical to have investments that not only preserve, but grow your wealth. And a Gold IRA can do exactly that. Some people also believe that stocks always beat inflation. While stocks have traditionally outperformed inflation in the long run, they come with higher risks. Retirees, especially those with significant savings, need to balance risk with stability. Gold IRAs provide a safe and reliable alternative that grows with the economy, giving you a level of protection that stocks just can't provide during turbulent times. Now, let's touch on the myth that gold is too risky for retirement savings. The truth is, gold has been a reliable store of value for thousands of years. Unlike stocks, gold doesn't have the same volatility, and it's an asset that retains its value, even during economic downturns. Many retirees are now choosing to diversify their portfolios with Gold IRAs to avoid the risks associated with the stock market, while still ensuring their wealth remains protected. Finally, some people think you don't need to worry about inflation because it won't last forever. While inflation may fluctuate, it's never really gone away for good. A Gold IRA doesn't just protect you from short-term inflation. It's a strategy for long-term wealth preservation. If you're planning on enjoying your retirement without worrying about the future, it's essential to have assets that hold up against inflation in the long run. So, what's the solution? A Gold IRA. It's an option that has proven time and again to be a secure investment that provides peace of mind in the face of rising inflation. If you've got at least $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you have 5M plus in savings, this strategy is perfect for you. If you want to learn more about why so many American retirees are choosing Gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description. It's a free guide, and I promise you, it could be the first step in securing a more stable financial future. Thanks for watching, and take control of your financial future today.